వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. స్పందనపై జగన్ సమీక్ష చేస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
The average time when compared to earlier days, earlier regime, earlier days, the average time to file a charge sheet was 300 days. The average time to file a charge sheet. Today, the average time to file a charge sheet is 42 days. Phenomenal work by the police department. A lot of appreciation for you. In fact, all what I request the police department is, especially the SPs there is, please own this program. This is your baby. Your reputation will be totally altered. The country would speak about you. Please own this program. You have Mahila police in every Sachivalayam. You have volunteers in every Sachivalayam. Make use of these volunteers and the Mahila police. The collectors also, please ensure the reputation of the collectors, reputation of the SPs will totally go to a different level on this program of yours. And also, police my advice, please do not be perturbed by the number of FIRs being registered. It's good. It should not bother us. In fact, we are facilitating FIRs through this app. We are encouraging FIRs through this app. The more the number of FIRs, better. Good. Don't take it the other way around. Don't take it the other way. Because some fellow will comment and say, Andhra Pradesh is reporting more number of cases. In fact, it is good that if we report more number of cases. If more number of cases are facilitated, if more number of cases are encouraged, then that means we are doing our duty in a better way. It should be the other way around. If somebody should be questioned, if more number of cases are not registered. Sorry, Asara program we wanted to conduct. We will take this program to Dasara. So we'll start on 7th of next month, have it 10 days, 7th to 17th, wherein all the public representatives, all the MLAs, the local leaders, the sarpanches, the MPTCs, the ZPTs, all these people also be involved in the process in that mandal. And not only will they educate about Asara, what kind of good it's going to do while they hand over the check in that particular mandal on that particular day, they will also talk about what good Asara has done, what good Cheyuta has done. They will talk about Disha app. They will talk about women empowerment. Especially the good stories what have come out in that mandal should come out through Asara and through Cheyuta, through Disha. Especially these Asara and Cheyuta, these stories, if they were to come out, how their lives have been transformed, have been changed, then you'll have more number of people wanting to become part of Amol, become part of Reliance, become part of ITC, become part of Procter & Gamble, become part of these multinational companies. And also, government can explain in detail, in depth, how these programs have been created, how these programs have been created intending to change the lives of women, how they're actually helping. So it'll be a huge educational tour as well, where there'll be more awareness created, more education rendered on these schemes as to how to make use of these schemes for more women empowerment. And also